I hope you like the rainy season most. And the rainy season starts in June and July after the summer season goes out, and it goes till September. Sometimes there is heavy dark cloud on the sky before a heavy rain, and it goes 2 to 4 days. And when the sun come out, the weather is become humid and hot and sticky. Many people dislike this season. I hope you like this season, as you can flow your boat on the accumulated water on the roadside. Plants love this season because they look so fresh and green in this season. Farmers also like this season because they can show their seeds when it starts rain. And frogs and insects also love this season because you can justify why, because you can hear the voice of the happily frogs after a heavy rain. And the most important flowers in rainy season are champa, kaneer, rajnigandha, kadamba, etc., as they are very familiar to this season. And autumn. Now we are going to discuss about autumn. The September, when the dark cloud goes away, there are some patchy white cottony ball like clouds we can see all around the sky. We, the autumn is mostly known as the season of festival, because the our most awaited festival, that is Durga Puja or Diwali, that will happen only on this season. And there are some very important flowers we can see bloom in that season, like Harshringar or Shivli, water lily, that is we know the kashful, or the flowers in grass, which bloom in this season. That is the most important part of this autumn, that the kashful or the flowers in flowering grass. And we can see in the morning the dew in the leaf or the flower surface. And um, there is some important fruits we can find it, the pears, apples, all are very fresh.